Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here I'll show you how to add your name in your iPhone's lock screen. So I'll show you how. You can see if I do like this, you can see there is something called Sunil, which is written here, my name along with this icon. So how to do that in your iPhone lock screen? So for that, what you need to do is, it's a simple step-by-step method. I'll show you how. Just look at it carefully. Simply go to your quick settings menu in iPhone. So once you go here, you can see there is something called focus. So simply long press on focus and you can get something. Here I'll show you new focus. This plus mark, you have to press this plus mark, and then what you see is this window. And in this window, what you would be doing is go to custom. And in custom, just write your name. For example, I write my name as Sunil and choose a color, for example, red. So I'll go for an icon. For example, my icon would be cycling. I'll do cycling. For example, this icon would be cycling. Let us see. I'll press next here. And once I press next, you can see customize focus. Simply press on customize focus and move on. So I'll just go to my screen. And here what I'll do is, so here once again I'll go to focus. So for that I'll just drag it like this, and you can see there is this focus option is coming. Well, till now you can see that it is still not showing up my name. You can see. So I'll go to focus. I'll again long press on focus, and you can see my profile is already created. So I'll simply have to click or choose this Sunil profile with cycle icon, and it's all done. So I'll go back, and now if you can see, if I turn the lock screen on, you can see my name with this icon cycle is coming. So friend, this is how you add an icon in your iPhone by following the steps or process that I've shown you here. You can easily get that icon on your home screen. So friend, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.